All right, y'all. Welcome back. As usual, me and Tom got a great tip for you. So, normally, just about everybody we see, we used to do the same. We use, 1x4s. The reason you wouldn't want to use a 2x4 as a ledger board is because of the bevel on the 2x4. So, a lot of people use 1x4s, the wood, and we agree. We used to do the same thing. The problem is, why we started using Go Board. For one, we've got a bunch of scraps left over every time we do a shower. Another reason why we like to use Go Board is because if this was a 1x4, see how I can flex the Go Board like this? Well, none of that matters because it's getting pinned to the wall. So even the 1x4 can flex like this and it doesn't bother nobody. What we don't like and what happens with a 1x4 is you can get it and it'll be twisted, or I can't do this with the Go Board, but if you can imagine me trying to bend this way instead of this way, Go Board can't bend that way. It would break. It stays perfectly straight. So I know Go Board is roughly $30 a sheet, but if you really do the math, a 1x4 8-foot long probably run you anywhere from $8 to $10. To do this turn, to go in the shower and come back out the other side, you're probably going to need 3. So the same $30, you buy that and hope that they're perfectly straight, stay straight in transportation. They don't start warping on you, any of that. You could have bought a sheet and got 7, 8, 9, depending on how thick you cut them, perfect for your ledger board. And this is why I want to show you. This is why. Check this out. Here's our ledger board that's going to start after we laid out all our tile and figured everything out. Bam. Okay. Walk with me. Come on into the shower. Look at how our ledger board wraps around the wall. Check this out. Bam. All right, look. Now, the laser line helped guide us all the way around. But look, I'm going to get fancy. These come out and had to turn. We had to have the same in there. So look, check this out. I'm going to set it down on this lip. Go over here and touch this guy. Bam. And for our last trick, that's why we use Go Board. I'm telling you, you can't go wrong. This will help you out so much. Hey, I thought you were supposed to put that diverter in. There it is. Till the next one.